How to connect Topstep into Tradovate. Now in this quick video, I'll show you one of the method for you to connect Topstep into your Tradovate account. Now this is very simple. Now I'm going to be providing you one of a reference that is directly from Tradovate's official website, like here. So we will be doing the connection via the Tradovate app. So first is to launch the choice of your Tradovate supported platforms, whether for a web URL, which is going to be like this one here, or via the Mac or the Android or mobile application on your device. Log in into your Topstep account using your username and password provided from your Topstep account credentials. Next is make sure that on your Tradovate account, you're under the trading mode or log in to the simulated environment. Now verify your account prior to your trading so that you can definitely connect them. So this is going to be the set of example right here on how you can connect them by choosing the designated correct account. And that's it. It's very simple. That's how you connect Topstep into Tradovate.